Okay, smile. What is your name?
Name is Kim Kim.
How old are you, Kim Kim?
I'm 22.
How old are you?
How old are you? I'm 3.
Are you 3 years old? Oh, come on. Okay, how old are you?
3 years old.
3 years old. You know how to sing? Yeah, okay. Can you sing now? Sing.
Sing Old MacDonald.
Louder.
Louder. Louder. Old MacDonald had a farm. Louder.
Mommy, you stay. Daddy,
Okay.
Daddy, you stay here.
Okay, later. Okay, now I want you... Okay.
Show them.
Make it loud.
Okay. Now naman, I want you to pretend you're eating that hamburger. So when I say action, say, so yummy.
You so yummy. Don't
Oh,
eat.
don't bite. Just pretend.
Don't eat. Just put it like that, Kim.
Oh,
So yummy, this hamburger. Like that.
come on.
You show
I
them.
like that. Like that only, like that only. A little bit nearer to your mouth.
Your mouth.
But not too close. Like that only, like that. Yummy, yummy hamburger. Like that.
Okay.
Come on.
Oh, you show the
Come
camera.
on.
Aseo.
Yeah,
It's not
fish.
siya.
Okay.
You eat like that. Kim,
Kuya.
don't eat like that only.
Aseo.
Okay. Show me nga your happy face.
Smile.
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 Happy.
Happy ka lang. Show them. Happy.
Smile at ate.
Okay. How about your sad face?
Sad.
Show me your sad
Sad
face.
face. Sad face. Lonely. Come.
Okay. Smile na lang. Smile.